we're going to do a crispy skinned salmon, what I like to call covered in my black powder rub, which is a combination of turbinado sugar, granulated garlic, dehydrated onions, smoked paprika, adobo, everything that gives it smoky. It tastes like the end of a bag of barbecue chips. So a little bit of oil in that pan, and then you snizzle it just like that. And you want to start that really low to kind of render that skin slowly, help that subcutaneous layer of fat that we love in salmon, right? Sarah is going to implement the splatter screen / carbon.
Golf clap.
Next, I'm going to do a quick, since I got some fresh parsley here. This is the easiest, what I like to call it, my Giardiniera chimichurri, using some fresh parsley that we're going to throw right in the mini prep here. And then some good Giardiniera. This is my Mauro Provisions honey Giardiniera that's cured with agave and honey, so it gives a little sweet edge.
Ooh,
with the oil in there. Look at how pretty that is. Madonna me. Ooh.
Gorgeous. Jeff is very
And then a little bit of red wine vinegar.
And Jeff and Sarah have sent us their products. They're wonderful. We really love them.
We love them and use them. Thank you.
They're so wonderful.
I love you guys. You guys are the best. I can't wait. Hey, I'll see you guys in upstate New York, and both of us in October, right?
We're here right now.
Hey, man, I certainly hope so.
So, like, that's what you got to look for, right? Kind of that golden brown starts to get around the edges. You flip it. I got one ready to go here, Rachel and John. And I just love the look, that kind of that barbecue dust.
Amazing.
Right? Beautiful. The skin is beautiful and crispy right under there. You know you're going to get a snap. And then you take that gorgeous Giardiniera chimichurri, which has the olives in there, and we put that red wine vinegar is going to help cut through the richness and all the herbs. And look at that. How quickly did I make that sauce?
It's so healthy. It's so delicious and nutritious and perfect, Jeff. I mean, you guys, how awesome.
Look at that.
What a beautiful, simple meal.
Amazing.
You guys are the best. You know, Jeff, I complimented you when we just featured the book last time you were on, but I have to tell you, Come On Over is such a delight. The book is such a celebration of friendship and food and fun and the way we're supposed to use food to bring us all together. It is terrific. Congratulations again on it. It's such a great read and a great gift.